Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you share, subscribe, comment and like this video. This video will be about makeup application on my friend. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply a primer to her face. After applying the primer to her face, I'm now prepping her brows. After prepping her brows, I'm now going to use a clean color brow pencil to shade in her brows. And I'm going to do that to both brows.
After shading in her brows, I'm going to use a concealer to sharpen her brows.
And any concealer would work. You can use, my favorite is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and the Shauna Cole Concealer. So I'm concealing both brows. After concealing her brows, I'm cleaning up the concealer area and blending in the concealer into her brows, into her eyelids, sorry. After concealing under her brows, I'm now defining the top of her brows with her foundation shade. After doing that, I'm blending in the foundation into her skin. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I was trying to go for a neutral look, so in order to let the eyeshadow pop, I had to conceal her eyelids and then apply the eyeshadow to her eyelids. Something not too loud, not too flashy, but just subtle enough to be a daytime and a nighttime glam. After applying the eyeshadows to her eyelids, I'm ensuring that I blend them out perfectly. I'm giving her a cut crease because I'm going to add neutral eyeshadow in the cut crease for her eyes to pop a little. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share your comments in the comment section below. after doing her eyeshadows, I'm now going to use an eyeliner to line her eyelids. Now I'll be applying her lashes. I did it off camera. And now I'm going to apply a smudged eyeliner underneath her eyes. And now I'll be applying her foundation. And I'm applying it all over her face, and then I'm going to buff in the foundation into her face to have a skin-like finish. After buffing in the makeup in her face, this is what it actually looks like, and it looks pretty nice. I'm now applying concealer under her eyes, on her nose, on her chin, and on her forehead to give that contour glow look. I went ahead and did the contour and applied the loose powder to her face. And then after this, I'm going to contour her face. I went ahead and brushed away the pressed powder from her face, and you can now see the glow. I'm now contouring her nose. She already looks glowing. After the contour, I'm now applying a little blush to her cheeks. And I'm ensuring that I blend that into her skin perfectly. And now I'll be giving her bronzer on her cheeks. After applying the glow, I'm now applying a setting powder all over her face for everything to blend in perfectly, so she has a finished look. And now I'm just fixing her brows for the finished look, blending them perfectly so they don't look too sharp. And this is the final touch on the makeup. Guys, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. I went ahead there and let her have her moment to fix her hair. And that's the final look, guys. Doesn't she look gorgeous? I did that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. Tell me what you'd like to see in my other upcoming videos. Bye.